Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beach Delights. Today we will go for a walking tour of Barcelona City Beach. It's one of the wonderful beaches in the city of Barcelona. As much you can see that around, it's a wonderful views on the both sides. And before that, when you are coming to the beach, you can find a wonderful park as well, where you can spend a lot of time. You can do picnic, whatever. But it's one of the beautiful town beaches. It's called Barcelona City Beach. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Enjoy that.